Today we'll show you how to remove your password in Windows 11. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to here and put settings and go and put in the search password and go here to the second one, like editing password. Go and here click in the password. Okay, now click to modify. Like here put your correct password. Okay, we are now put our correct password like this, LEGUTO. Okay, this is name of our channel. Yes, I know that. Okay, now go to next. Okay, now if you want to put a new password, or if you don't want to put a new password but just you want to remove it, just go to click next to like this and next. Okay, we have now removed our password. Okay, just guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.